Hi, this is Dr. Paul Chasan at Ranch and Coast Plastic Surgery. So here we are, we're doing a thong lift. Now this lady's 35 years old. She's had 3 kids and she had liposuction of the outer thighs and the banana roll. And I see this so commonly. This area, you shouldn't lipo. It debulks it and the butt falls and extra skin and they hate it. So here we are, we're at the end of doing a thong lift. It's probably new to you because there's not many people doing thong lifts. They find me from all over the country. She came from Michigan because I'm the only one I know who does these with a regular amount. I think I've done like 30 or 40 of these, okay? So here we are, we're all done. And you can see the thong lift is just hidden right in the crease. And look how nice her butt looks. And when she stands up, it's gonna be even nicer. And you can see, if you go back, her butt's kind of boxy here. And we kind of fixed that. So the butt has a more apple shape, more rounded shape. And you know, on the table, you overcorrect a little because when they stand up, you know, just time and experience, I've seen that this really shapes up nice and these incisions heal great.